This Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Pink Rose. Brush from Arty Cosmetics. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cheekbones. And then I'm going to be setting that with the Milani Make It Last Matte setting spray. The purpose of a setting spray is to blend all their makeup layers and create a smooth, even finish. And for mascara, I'm going to be using this Heroine mascara. I like to use brown mascara kasi mas natural yung look niya compared to black mascara, which I feel like masyadong heavy sa eyes ko. See just how much longer my lashes got, and it's not even clumpy. Another tip, if gusto mo mag-eyeliner but you don't want it to be too obvious, use a pencil liner, specifically a brown one, kasi mas soft yung itsura niya compared to a black liquid or pen eyeliner. See how it looks a lot more softer? So what I like about it is that it gives your eye like a cat eye lift, but it's not too obvious. Like, hindi siya heavy sa mata, especially since it's brown. And then I'm just gonna wipe off the lip oil. To line my lips, I'm going to be using this Maybelline, I believe it's called the Lifter Liner. I completely forgot the shade. It might be all in. For my lipstick, I'm going to be using this lipstick from Fashion 21 in the shade Bronze. Finally, I'm going to set it with the same fixing spray that I used on my nose at the start. It's the Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray. What makes a fixing spray different from a setting spray is that it actually locks and holds your makeup. So mo talagang mag-last yung makeup mo throughout the whole day. Gaano man kainit yan. You want to use a fixing spray that will really lock in your makeup. And there you go. That is our back to school makeup look that will last you throughout the whole day. Kaya man ka-init or ka-humid sa Pilipinas, even if you have oily skin, this makeup will not budge, trust. And the thing that I like about this makeup look is that bagay din siya kahit naka-glasses ka. The combination of the matte setting powder, the setting spray, and the fixing spray will prevent the nose pad of your glasses from taking off some of that makeup. So good luck in your school year. Bye!